Welcome back. So in the previous lecture, we generate image to video through basic prompt. This time we are going to write a precise prompt. So the precise prompt structure is a little bit different than text to video. As you can see guys, first you have your image, then you have your motion change, and then you have a camera and atmosphere. So right now, as you can see guys, we have motion change. First we have image, second we have some motion, and third we have a camera moment. So I'm going to write a camera moment, but before we write any camera moment, let's view some camera moments. Now go to Google and search for camera moments, and as you can see guys, we have several examples of camera moment. So I just add a camera moment and atmosphere. So camera slowly zooming to the car, heavy raining, flying leaves. Now let's click on this button to generate this video. So in order to write a precise prompt, you don't have to write a full paragraph of 5 to 6 lines. You can just write one line of simple words. Just add a camera moment, atmosphere, describe your motion, and you good to go. So the video is now generated. Here we have the final result. We have flying leaves. We have heavy rain. There is some slight error in the video, but don't worry, we can fix that. So go back, we can make some slightly changes. Heavy raining, add a comma. So I just make some tiny changes in the atmosphere. Day is getting dark. Let's change this to darker. Day is getting darker very fast. Leaves flying through the scene. I'm going to delete this keyword. Ocean waves splashing onto the car. Camera slowly zooming to the car. Heavy raining, day is getting darker very fast. Leaves flying through the scene. Now let's generate. And this time hopefully we will get the better result. So let's see if we fix the error. Day is getting darker very fast. Leaf flying through the scene. So we got this result, and as you can see guys, we have a complete dark screen, we have completely black screen. So in my next generation, I try to fix this. So in this generation, as you can see guys, I just changed this slightly. Day is getting slightly dark very fast, leaf flying in the air. And now we got this result. And again, we have a black screen from half of the video. And in my next generation, in my final generation, I fix all these problems. So in the final generation, I add camera slowly panning to the ocean. Stormy weather, heavy raining, day is changing into night, leaves flying in the air from left to right. And as you can see guys, we got this amazing result. We did not get the camera panning effect, but I'm happy with this result. You can change your camera moment if you are not getting any camera moment in your video. Now let's check out some other examples of precise prompt image to video generation. So as you can see guys, we have this image and I write this prompt. So in my first generation, I did not get the result that I wanted. So I recreated this prompt. And as you can see guys, with the same prompt, with the same image, now we got this result, which is improved a lot. So if you are not getting the result that you want, then try to recreate. It will help you to get better result. Now we have this example with this prompt, with this image. As you can see guys, if I play my clip, we have the balloons, and balloons is also illuminating the light onto my face and onto the studio as well. Now we had that same image that we used before, but this time I used my color graded image. And with this prompt, as you can see guys, I write a man is sitting on a chair in a room, suddenly an earthquake occurs. And as you can see guys, we got this fascinating result. We have the earthquake and we have a shaky footage as well. Now we have this example with that same image. With this prompt, I type our bot is chasing me, and as you can see guys, we got this result. We have the second version where I just tweak some keywords here and there, and we got this result. As you can see guys, the robot that chasing me is pretty insane. Now with that earthquake prompt, I use this image, and as you can see guys, this is the result that we got. the debris is also reacting with my hand as well. Now we have this example with that same image. I just type a man sitting on a chair with a massive spark occurring in the background. And this is some other details as well. And as you can see guys, we have this amazing generated video. The spark is also illuminating the light all over the studio. Now with that same image with the earthquake prompt, we got this result. Now with this image with the balloon prompt, we got this result. Now with the same image with the earthquake prompt, I got this result this time. So these were some examples of precise prompt image to video generation.